Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Kali Uchis Telepati music video, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer for a long-lasting makeup look and a smooth canvas application. For my lips, I'll be using the Lemon Lip Treatment and Lemonade to moisturize. For my crease, I'll be using the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette in the shade Hush as my transition shade. To deepen the crease area, I used the shade Arctic Abyss and blend. I smudged my lower lash line with Hush and Arctic Abyss together. And then I use Get Fresh on my eyelid, inner corner, and brow bone and blend everything out so it looks cohesively together. I used the shade Brilliant in the inner corner of my eyes, lining up my upper lash line with a silver beaded hydro liner in grease to prepare for my false lashes and a winged eyeliner. And also doing the winged eyeliner that fits my eye shape and just making sure everything's even off camera. I used the shade Frostbite all over my eyelid while also avoiding my black eyeliner. And I went back with Brilliance to add a little bit more sheen. For false lashes, I used the Mina Luxe Beaded Lashes in Athena and use code Lourdes25 to buy your products at minaluxebeauty.com. For my face, I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Tinted Foundation in 6W Light, covering my entire imperfections and highlighting areas with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Natural.
I hate you so much.
Contouring my face and nose with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Espresso, using less amount for a subtle look. And then I later set it with my Wet n Wild Contour palette. Above my contour, I added the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali. I lined my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Over Time. Using my ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick and Know It All for the rest of my lip. Using my false lash glue and hammock rhinestones I got off of Amazon, I use it on my lips and playing around with different sizes that just fits my lip shape. It takes 2 packs of the hammock rhinestones to fill in my entire lip, and it takes about 1 hour. I did this on camera until my phone died and I had to charge it and do the rest off camera. I did it by 1 or 2 sections and wait for it to get a little tacky so that way the rhinestones can stick a little better. And I used the end of my eyeliner brush. You can use a wax pencil or a white color pencil that comes in a kit on Amazon. And that's how I did it. Prior to filming this makeup tutorial, I researched on YouTube and TikTok on how to do rhinestones on lip or lip art. This is the complete look. Almost. Doing some complete touch-ups and revision, I used a brush for my e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bali to make it more pigmented as the one in the music video. Setting my contour with the Wet n Wild Contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee below my blush area, jawline, forehead, and cheekbones, and the nose too. And highlight the nose with the nude shade in the contour palette. Going back to using the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette, I used Brilliance and Euphoria on my cheekbones, brow bones, and eyelid to add more sheen and highlight and glitter to them. And that's it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye!